Hey, what's up? Welcome to today's lesson on integer exponents and the quotient rule. Alright, let's get it cracking. Quotient means to divide. So when we talk about the integer quotient rule, it's based on the simple understanding that when you divide any number by itself, it'll always equal 1. So even if you don't know that number, like x divided by x, it still equals 1, and you use that understanding when trying to simplify expressions. So let's start with this integer exponent example. You have 4 to the 5th divided by 4 squared. Alright, 4 to the 5th means you have 4 multiplied by itself 5 times, divided by 4 squared, which is 4 times 4. Now we can cancel out numerator and denominator pairs because we know they'll equal 1. So we have 4 divided by 4, we can get rid of that. And another 4 divided by 4 that we can get rid of, leaving us with 4 times 4 times 4. We write our answer as the integer exponent, so we have 4 to the 3rd power. Now the integer quotient rule says you can simply subtract your exponents when simplifying. So we could have just did 5 minus 2, which gives us 3, to show that the answer is 4 to the 3rd power. Let's look at another example. M squared to the 3rd power times m to the 5th divided by m to the 4th. That's saying a lot. Let's take it step by step. M squared, we know that's m times m, but with parentheses to the 3rd, that means we have 3 of those. So m times m times n times m times m times m. Now we still have m to the 5th on top, so now we got to write m times itself 5 times, and that completes our numerator. Now the denominator has m to the 4th, so we can write m times m times m times m. Now we can cancel out numerator and denominator pairs to find our equivalent expression. You see in the numerator we have m times itself 7 times, so our equivalent expression is m to the 7th power. Now let's do that using the quotient rule, which says you can simply subtract the exponents and get our same answer, m to the 7th. Alright, let's simplify our numerator down to one exponent. Let's start with m squared to the 3rd. That's the same as m to the 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So we have m to the 6 times m to the 5th, and we can add the exponents now. We get m to the 11th over m to the 4th. Now we can use the quotient rule and subtract our exponents. We have 11 minus 4. That gives us 7, which we know our answer from our first example is m to the 7th power. And there you have using the quotient rule to subtract the exponents to find your equivalent expression. To sum it all up, anytime you have exponents being divided and they have the same base, you know you can subtract their exponents to find your equivalent expression. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.
Created using Powtoon.